you rank them, completely safe is 1,
Yeah.
completely toxic is 10.
It's 10.
So what are, to rank these things or probably
Yeah.
just give them
Yeah.
numbers.
Okay.
So let's start with, so we have, I'm going to name it for people.
Yeah.
So we have orange juice.
Yeah. No,
Fresh
I think we'll
orange.
take these because juice becomes a little different.
A lot of people say fruit juice as a sugar thing.
Oh,
so I want to put that also as a thing.
Okay.
So it's like,
What is this one?
so we have brown sugar, we have coconut sugar,
Okay.
we have monk fruit sugar, we have stevia, we have jaggery powder, we have white sugar, and then we have fruit juice, which is purely fructose, which people call it.
Okay. Stevia will be number 1 because among the sweeteners, I'll put stevia and Splenda, sucralose, which is also among the sweeteners. These are the 2 which are safe. We have done studies. And these 2 are, this is plant-based. Sucralose is derived from sucrose. So I would put stevia and sucralose as the first 2. Okay. Then I would say probably jaggery and these 2 being the brown, and probably this also.
So coconut sugar, jaggery and brown sugar is
almost same because they're all not refined like that.
And if you had to still put a number, how would you rank in order?
I would say jaggery would be
better.
1, then in this order only.
Okay.
Coconut sugar, then brown sugar.
Okay.
This monk fruit sugar, lot is being told in social media that's very healthy. Actually, it contains erythritol.
What does it mean?
Erythritol is one of the sweeteners like this. First of all, it contains fructose, it contains glucose, and in addition to that, it contains erythritol. Okay. And erythritol is one of the worst sweeteners of all these. I would put it even after this. So I would put stevia and Splenda, sucralose, sugar-free. This I would not use at all. There have been cases of blindness and strokes and all that.
What happens with that ingredient? What is the ingredient?
Erythritol. It's one of the sweeteners. Studies have been done where people have been taking erythritol, have developed strokes and all that. So this, I would not popularize this at all, although people are talking a lot about monk fruit sugar.
Is becoming really big. Almost in every healthy thing they're putting this.
Yeah. So that is why I've been reading up about this, and this I would put it on there because it is still, if there's no sugar added to that, it is still, I don't recommend to a diabetic to take fruit juice at all. If it is cut fruit, it is fine. It is fine. You can go ahead. It will go actually much, it will probably come here or something. Cut fruit will come here, or even here. Whereas this one, to produce so much of this juice, you have to put in a lot of fruit to get it. So the calories goes up and the sugar content goes up. Even though it is fruit sugar, it is still fructose. It gets converted into glucose. Ultimately, once it enters into the body, it will get converted into glucose. A little slower, it will get converted. So I don't recommend this. I would recommend this. Of course, white sugar, there is no doubt at all. It is direct sugar, and therefore you should not take it.
Pure killer.
Yeah. Anybody should cut down on.
So these are the ranks.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This you have excluded from rank.
I don't like that erythritol at all.
You're saying monk fruit sugar is probably worse than white sugar.
Not in terms of the sugar content.
No, in terms of the side effects and damage, overall damage.
Because it contains erythritol. That's my objection. The erythritol. See, about 2 years ago, WHO said that they issued a blanket statement against all sweeteners. Okay. And they said sweeteners, because what happened was people started substituting sugar with one of these sweeteners and taking it by the tons, thinking this is for weight reduction. So I'll cut off sugar, I will do this and so on. WHO, but when they